So my name is Rylen, and I like to 3D print stuff because I can just make whatever I want with it. And so what I'm making right now is a truck, but it kind of broke because it was too small and it just didn't work out so good. So I went back in and I fixed the wheels, fixed the tires, fixed everything that broke on it, and I kind of just put it back together. And so right now it's printing, and it'll take about 10 hours to print. And so when it's all done printing, I will have a bigger scale truck than this. It'll probably be about like this and like this wide. So I really like the fact that you can scale things up on your own computer with the 3D printer, and you can scale it up. And how Tinkercad, the app that I'm using, Tinkercad has like their own tires and their own wheels and their own shapes and everything that you can mess with and put up and put down. And with all those shapes, you can create like almost anything if you just put your mind to it.